Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. I want to talk about a product I got for Christmas, and I used it just recently for the first time. I have these old DEWALT drill set, saw, and an impact drill, and it used the old batteries. And a friend of mine told me to buy a kit, and I got this for Christmas. It's the DEWALT 18 volt to 12 volt battery adapter kit, and what it comes with is just this little adapter that you can plug into the bottom of your DEWALT drill sets and the saw, and it comes with two lithium batteries, and these lithium batteries go into a charger which is also included. This comes with this charger, and it makes your drill set go from 18 volt to 20 volt. So this is the charger. I have it plugged in, and here's my lithium battery. So you just turn it upside down, slide it onto the charger, and it starts blinking. Now when it's fully charged, the light will stop blinking and it'll be solid, and that lets you know that the battery is charged. Okay, so once your battery is charged, then what you want to do is you want to grab your adapter here, take your battery, slides right into the adapter like so. And I got my impact drill here, and what I'm going to do is take my impact drill and lock it in place just like that, and let's start it like this. Pretty good charge. I didn't let this charge fully. I just want to demo how it is to attach it to the impact drill. And when you want to remove it, grab it with my other hand, just pull it out like so, and you can put it in your drill. Just slide it right into the drill like this, and works really well. And you just pull it off, and there you have it. Not really heavy once you have it on the drill. A little bulky at the bottom, but works really well. And if I want to just remove this from the adapter, I just press down on this button and pull it off the adapter. So there you have it. This is again the DEWALT 12 volt to 20 volt battery adapter for your DEWALT tool set. I bought this from Amazon, and I'll link it to the description below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time watching, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets us know what you like and what you don't like. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.